Hello and welcome to my channel. Today we are going to learn how to make a very simple edge to your crochet tapestry work. This is a very easy tutorial. This is a tutorial for beginners, so if you're new into crochet tapestry, welcome. This is for you. And also, if you'd like to buy this pattern of this cute ghost carrying a black cat, it is available on my Etsy shop. The link is on the description below. And let's get started. This border that I'm going to do right now, it is actually the easiest. It is just working a single crochet through these 3 borders. I have my finished work here. This is a work of 44 rows by 48 stitches, which means we will be doing 44 single crochets through here, 48 single crochets and 44 single crochets. And when we reach here, in this case, I finished my project here, so I'll be working this way and I'll finish here. And then after we finish doing the single crochets, I will teach you how to put it on a stick. It doesn't matter if you ended your work on this side or on this side. For now, I ended on this side, so I'm just going to turn my work and work this way. Okay, now I am starting my row of 44 single crochets. I will first chain 1 and just find the small loops that will be on each row. There is one here. If you stretch it out a little, you'll find the loops easier. 1, 2, here's next, 3, 4, here it is, 5, and just continue until you reach the end of the row. Okay, I just got to the end of my row. I just did single crochet number 43 of 44. So this is going to be 44, but on the very last stitch, I'm going to make 3 single crochets on the same loop. Okay, this is number 44, and I will be doing 2 more. This is the first one extra and the second one. So in total, it is 3 single crochets on the same loop. This will give just something else to the corner. It's just a small little detail, but it really makes the difference. Now we will continue doing another row of single crochets. This is a project of 48 stitches, so we will be working 48 single crochets. Alright, so I reached the end of my row, and we're going to repeat the same thing we did for this corner, which is doing 3 single crochets on the same loop. I'm right now at single crochet number 47, so this is 48 and 2 extras. And there it is. And now we will continue to work our last row, working 44 single crochets since this is a project of 44 rows. Alright, so I reached the end of my row. For this corner, we won't be doing the thing we did on the other corners, the 3 single crochets on 1 loop. we will just finish normally with one single crochet and we will finish off. Okay, so here is the final look. As you can tell, it is a very small but nice detail. Adding this to your edges, I really recommend it to any crochet tapestry project. I will be weaving my ends and blocking my knit, so then I can kind of wrap it around this stick so you can hang it anywhere. I will teach you how to do that in another video. So thank you for watching, and again, if you're interested in this pattern, it is available on my Etsy store. The link is on the description below. Thanks again, and don't forget to follow. Bye!